I am not only a petrolhead, I'm also very keen in electricity, so you might call me a electric head. I have two super trump cards, and one of them is the spectacular concept car. I mean, take a good look at these beautiful shapes. On my other hand, I have the spectacular car but as a prototype. And when I look at these two pictures, I have three lines that worries me a lot. To start with, it is the scope inside the door. Take a look at the concept car and compare it to this picture with a prototype. As you could see, it is a bit difficult to think that the beautiful lines that the curves, the beautiful curves that you have in the concept car is quite difficult to spot in the prototype. The second line is if I compare the, let's see, hips in the rear. And as you can see, and if you compare it to the prototype, it is not the beautiful curves that you want to see. The roof line is also something that I'm worried about. They have extended from the midline of the car to the roof line too much. Take a look at this picture and you understand what I mean. It's much, much higher on the prototype compared to the concept car. Nevertheless, I have signed this week to purchase and I paid a down payment for a Taycan.